Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we are starting the process of building our pool house at our property in North Georgia, and we're going to go over the details on how we went about it. We've already got a permit, we've got a septic system up here, we've got power, and we have water. So the pool house is going to be 12 by 20 with a porch off of one side. So in the future we'll have a pool just in front of it, and when we build the house it'll be to the back of our house. So we're going to go over the process, so stay tuned. We're going to start out with the footing. We've already laid it out, rough laid out the corners and marked where we're going to dig, so I'll show you that. So the pink is the outside of the footing. The size of the shed is going to be 12 by 20. That's a sleeve for the plumbing. And there's the other corner, another corner, and there's the other corner. So we're going to get started digging with the Mini. Okay, the footings are all dug. Now we're gonna get ready to put the rebar and the grade stakes in. So the footings are complete. We have started to install the rebar. We have all the grade stakes in, elevation stakes. We've left this section out because we still have to put the electrical chase pipe or the conduit for the electrical. And as soon as that's in, we will complete that. And over here on this end, we have the sleeve for the drain, and right next to it is a water sleeve. You can't see it, it's under the dirt, but it's in there. So the footing dimensions are 12 inches to the bottom from finished grade, 8 inches thick, and 18 inches wide, and it's more like 22 inches wide, so we're plenty wide. But anyhow, we hit lots of rock. We had a little bit of issues with that. It broke down the edges, but we're going to make it work. Okay, let's see what we got cooking on the grill. 2-inch conduit. So once you get it curved, you use a wet rag to cool it down so it'll stay in place, and sometimes you get some of the kinks out of it. If it tries to kink, which it did right here in the center. Okay, we got the conduit in, and this is what we call a Ufer, U-F-E-R, Ufer ground, and it ties into
surprised you were able to drive anything in there.
There's the concrete truck, it's fine to me. Okay, we got the footings all poured. Put some rebar in the corners and a couple along the side just to tie everything together. Coming up next is the block and the rough plumbing. So stay tuned for that. Okay, that's all I have for now. I really appreciate you watching. Till next time, take care, God bless, and I'll see you later.